to American Dream Garage. Today I'm going to do a video on my 1970 Z28 and what's my car worth. So I recently went to Florida to an auction, and there were multiple early second generation Z28s there. There were three very nice 1970s, and there were a couple 1972s which I videoed because the 72 is fairly rare because of the strike year, even though it doesn't have the power and performance that the 70 had. So I will look at both of those all of those cars, and we will watch them cross the block and see what they go for.
First, let's look at Hagerty valuation, going from a number 4 at 35 up to a number 1 at 82. I would put my car probably halfway between a number 3 and a number 2.
Probably a 2-, but a 4-speed car. Let's look at it a little closer. It looks like a decent restoration. Nice paint.
Now bring us 59 to 1970 Camaro Z28. It's got the special performance. 75, did you want to give 75, 75, 75, did you want to bid 30, now 40, 30,000, 40,000, did you want to bid 40, now 40, 40, 50, did you want to bid 50, 50, 50, 60, 60,000, did you want to bid 60,000, 60, 50 here, 60,000, did you want to bid 60, now 60, did you want it, now 9, 59, 58, 59, 58, now 9, did you want to bid 9, sir, 58, now 59, now 58, do you want 9, 59,000, anybody else want it for 59,000, 58, 59, anywhere, did you want to get 9, 59,000, 58,000 owners on the internet.
Paint looks good. 4-speed car, no console, AM/FM. Looks to be factory stock. It's got some imperfections in the body, more in the body than in the paint. Highly original, unrestored condition. Mostly original paint. Wow. Not sure I believe that, but anyhow.
car, F-124, original drivetrain, 19,000 miles, matching numbers, 360 horse, full documentation, body paint looks to be exceptional, automatic, which my car's an automatic. Again, there's a butt for every seat. Looks to be either frame up or body off restoration. Yeah, it looks like it's been driven, which you like, but stock manifolds, everything looks to be factory correct. Very nice car.
150 pounds of dollar down 5, doing it all good. 155, 150 pounds of dollar down 5, 4.1, 70 Camaro Z28, original drivetrain, 19,000 miles, matching number 350 automatic, partial bilging. Down 530, 30 pounds of dollar down 30 down 5, down 40, 40 pounds of dollar down 40, 40 pounds of dollar 35, 40 pounds down 5, 40 down 5, now 50 pounds of dollar down 50, 50 pounds out of bed, now negative 50 pounds now 50 pounds out, 50 pounds out of 5, last call, 55, anybody else? So 50 pounds a dollar, 50 pounds a dollar.
So just to wrap up the video, again, we saw 3 cars sell. The highest was the green 4-speed, which was north of 70,000 with commission. The lowest was the green automatic, which was 55,000 with commission. So I look at my car and say it's got an automatic. It would probably be closer to the green car. Hagerty does not penalize these cars for an automatic transmission, although Hagerty valuations don't buy cars. I would give my car the edge over that green one in the quality of the paint, as well as it has a Copo spoiler, which Hagerty says is worth 15%, which is quite a bit actually. So I would say my car probably between 55 and 65, and of course it all depends on the auction. It all depends on the buyers in the auction. And you never know till you're ready to sell. So anyway, thanks for joining me today.